Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. StartEngine is an equity crowdfunding platform that connects everyday investors with startups and early-stage companies seeking capital. It offers a way for individuals to invest in private companies that traditionally were only accessible to accredited investors. Through StartEngine, anyone can browse a diverse selection of businesses, from tech startups to craft breweries, and invest small amounts of money in exchange for equity. This democratizes the investment landscape, giving more people the opportunity to potentially benefit from the growth of promising ventures. StartEngine handles the complex regulatory and administrative aspects of these investments, making it a relatively straightforward process for investors. The platform provides detailed information about each company, including financials, business plans, and team backgrounds, to help investors make informed decisions. StartEngine is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and adheres to strict guidelines to protect investors. While equity crowdfunding carries inherent risks, as with any investment, StartEngine aims to provide a transparent and secure platform for both companies and investors. Exploring the platform reveals a wide array of investment opportunities, categorized by industry, stage of development, and other factors. The user interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing investors to easily search for companies, review their profiles, and track their investments. StartEngine also offers a secondary market, which allows investors to potentially sell their shares to other investors, providing some liquidity in an otherwise illiquid market. It's important to remember that investing in early-stage companies is inherently risky, and there's no guarantee of returns. However, for those who are interested in diversifying their portfolios and supporting innovative businesses, StartEngine offers an accessible avenue to participate in the world of private investing. Due diligence and careful consideration of your personal investment goals are always recommended before committing any capital. Remember to check out the StartEngine platform for yourself and see the variety of investment possibilities available.